What a rare find, direct in off the last owner who really has cherished this vehicle. Very, very rare example. This is a Volvo V40 Cross Country SE Navigation Automatic. Incredible car with just over £10,000 worth of factory fitted options. Yeah, £10,000 worth of factory fitted options. It is beautiful. Biarritz blue metallic, and the 18-inch alloy wheels do set the car off. That's just one of the options. It is gorgeous. Registered in January 2014 on a 63 plate with full Volvo service history. 7 Volvo service stamps in the book. Let's take you all the way around it. The cross country across the back gives it away. Nice bit of aluminium trim there. D3 diesel, 2-litre engine. It's got mats and over mats just to show you how the last owner has kept it. Load liner, additional storage under there, and you've also got the spare wheel and the toolkit complete all in there. Good sized boot on the car, nice and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats, rear parcel shelf. It is fabulous. It's also got a panoramic roof, rear parking sensors, all the tyres, all matching tyres, all in great condition. All Dunlops all the way around. And these 18-inch upgraded alloy wheels, all of them in great condition, no major damage on any of these. They really do set the car off nicely. All the bodywork is beautiful all the way around. No major dents, scratches, scuffs or dings anywhere on the vehicle. Again, just a close-up of the front wheels again, just to show you how nice the car is. Front parking sensors, headlight power washers. Again, a nice close-up all the way across the front. We did the videos just to show you exactly how nice all our cars are, so you don't have a wasted journey. And of course, this one's got the panoramic roof, which is a great feature. Chrome roof rails. All the options are listed below, so I'm not even going to try to remember and tell you exactly what they are. Got leather upholstery. Look at the attention to detail on the stitching on there. Lots of room in the back. Again, all the leather upholstery in the back, all the trims. Great condition. Non-smoker's car. No nasty smells of anything in there. Again, just look at those seats. The stitching on there. Great attention to detail. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, automatic lights, multi-leather function steering wheel. Again, the driver's seat, the upholstery on there, electric seats, memory seats, heated seats. Of course, the panoramic roof makes it very nice and airy inside. If you want to just blank the sun out, the blind comes across. It's got many other options, including park assist, lane assist, blind spot elimination. There are so many options. So as I say, they're all listed on there. But what a car. It is fabulous. Cup holders in there, front centre armrest, Again, all the trims in great condition. Upgraded sound system.
You can't beat a bit of Phil Collins in the morning. This is Matt Lucas with you till 9:30.
DAB radio, USB connection, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, again you've got the copper trim, which is an option on the vehicle. Nice clear panel, heated seats, dual zone climate control, and of course the automatic gearbox, front and rear parking sensors, and the mileage of just 63,406. That's all it's done, 63,406. Full Volvo service history, 7 stamps in the book. Other features include onboard computer, so it gives you the average miles per gallon, fuel consumption, fuel range. Lovely dash display. Cruise control and speed limiter, all at the finger touch. And again, just shows you in front of you clearly on the speed limiter and the cruise control. Stereo controls. Of course, we have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Part exchange always welcome. The folding mirrors, the bliss system, great feature to eliminate the blind spots. Voice activation. So there we have it, our beautiful cross-country V40 with low mileage, full Volvo service history, £10,000 worth of factory fitted options, beautiful condition all the way around. We welcome part exchange, great finance also available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP deal. Low deposit, low monthly payments, and you can apply direct off our website. If you fancy this vehicle at 2 o'clock in the morning, you can click and reserve direct off our website. Many customers do. This ensures that you don't miss out. We have many customers who have wasted journeys because they've decided to turn up and not call before, and sadly the vehicles get sold very quickly. We make buying and selling cars a very simple, hassle-free process. Here to help, give us a call on 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see my customers come back to us time and time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, multi-award-winning dealer. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple, we've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen, That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.